Hello all. A day before, India had released the admit card for ICAR examination. And what is important to note is that the admit card also contains a self declaration form and it is obviously related to COVID 19. So, in this video, we're going to share you how to clearly fill this self declaration form without any mistake. So before we jump into today's video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. So the first thing written in the self-declaration form is about the guidelines and the orders of Government of India about COVID-19 pandemic. And they would also say that more details are available on their official website, that is icar.nta.ac.in. The next thing is one of the most important factor to look after, that is I have in the last 14 days. That is, if you have any kind of discomfort like the following things, you have to put a tick mark on the corresponding column. Like if you are affected with a fever in the last 14 days of examination, you have to put a tick mark on the appropriate column. Just like this, mark if you have any other problem like cough, breathlessness, sore throat, runny nose, body ache, etc. And at last, if you have any other kind of discomfort that is not written on the self-declaration form, you have to specify what the problem is and also put a tick mark on that problem. The next thing is being in close contact with a confirmed case of COVID-19. That is, if you have any kind of contact with any COVID-19 patient, you have to put a tick mark on that column. And the close contact means that you have a contact with the patient that is less than 1 meter for more than 15 minutes. You have to put a tick on there. And the next column is not being in close contact with a person suffering from COVID-19 and I am not under mandatory quarantine. So it is for those candidates who are completely safe and they do not have any contact with any COVID-19 patient. You have to put a tick mark on that column. The next one is travel to the following cities or country at the last 14 days prior to arriving in the center. So if you travel to any other cities or countries before the 14 days of your examination, you have to specify in which city or country you have visited. And if you visited a numerous number of cities, you have to specify it here as the first city, second city, third city. And in the second column, you have to also specify the date of arrival. And in the last column, we can see a column where you have to paste your photograph, that is candidate photograph, and it should be same as that of in the application form. And what is important to note that you have to affix your photograph at your home itself. You have to affix before reaching the center. And the next column too is candidate's left hand thumb impression. It should be also be affixed before reaching the center. That is, you have to put your photograph and your thumb impression at your home itself. There is no facility to affix them at the center. And then we can see another column where you have to put your parent signature. It means you do not have to put your parents' signature. You have to say to your parents to put a signature on that column too. And the next and the last column indicates candidate signature. But what is important is you have to sign at the day of examination itself in front of your invigilator only. Okay, and all other things, that is candidate's photo, your thumb impression, your parent's signature, have to be put at your home itself. But about your signature, about the candidate's signature, to be signed on the day of examination in the presence of your invigilator only, put as an empty space there. What else I have to say is, please stay at your home itself. And if you want anything more for your examination, you can arrange it from someone else. And please, you have to stay at your home because our country is facing a severe pandemic nowadays, and it might be affect your examination if you are going for outdoor. So please stay at your home, study well, prepare well, and success will always follow you. Thank you.